ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ तो क्या मजा है जीने में, ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ तो क्या मजा है जीने में, बड़े बड़े तूफान टल जाते हैं जब आग लगे हो सीनों में, जब आग लगे हो सीनों में। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। माय नेम इज अंकित सिंह एंड टुडे इज आवर presentation session. You know that this session is very important from the every student because we are improved from our the spoken level and the basic level. This is a main platform we are improved from ourselves and the future time we are success in our life and the very good goals we are the indicates. आज मैं ऐसे टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ जो पिछले ज़माने में बहुत लोग इसका यूज़ करते थे, लेकिन आज के समय में वह टेक्नोलॉजी आजकल बच्चे लोग यूज़ करते हैं और बड़े लोग, लेकिन इसका बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। और यह तो इतना अच्छा है, लेकिन इसके अंदर इतना एआई का पावर भरा हुआ है जो जितना सवाल पूछेंगे उतना कम है। यू गेस माई टॉपिक? My topic is not phone. My topic is history of phone. This session I was realize you who person at invent from the phone and the why are invent from the phone and what a reason then phone was invented. First of all, I was explain you. I am first presentation. I was also guess the name. You guess the name. Which person was invented from the phone? Anyone? Yes, the phone was invented on the first time. Name is Alexander Graham Bell. He was born on that is a no born because that is born but no name was indicate. But this person was the first time phone was invented. That date is the 28 December 1888. This person was the first time phone was invented. And that the time it is the no BC time because this time is about 1888. First person was the establishing on the invented on the phone, and after the one scientist that invent the phone after time that person name is Martin Cooper. Yes, Martin Cooper. I was tell you Martin Cooper. This person is very famous from this time and the past time. And you also know that this person was the first time phone was invented on the date of 3 April 1973. Yes, this company also that time was very popular. You guess the name? No, this name is a Motorola company. Yes, this phone is a very popular. And that time first phone was invented. That name is a Motorola Dynatax 8000 X phone. Yes, this phone is very popular from that time. But this phone has no main features because this time was not very developed. That has only 1 and 2 features. But this phone cost is very more than, and many person was the purchase from phone because it has the one time that phone was invented. Yes, this phone was the purchase on the about 2 lakh rupees. Yes, 2 lakh rupees. That is very big amount. But it has only 1-2 functions like you calling from the another person and the receiving from the another person. Yes, and this phone was invented on the 8 March 1973, and Martin Cooper was born on the 3 April 28 March 1928. That is a no distance from the company, and it is also known as scientist. Yes, this is also known as scientist. You know that which scientist that is working from the constitutions? You know that anyone? This, yes, I was also explain. This scientist was the first time doing from the job, and he person was the many types of study are doing from our time. First of all, this person was also doing from the one platform that name is electrical engineer. Yes, and this person was also study on the MA. MA means anyone know? MA means Master of Arts. This study is very popular from that time, and many persons are this MA means Master of Arts. This is studying, and it has one company who was the first time was gone. That years is 1985. Yes, first company this person was gone. That company name is Modi Tailors company. Modi Tailors company that time was very popular, but more than person was not gone from this company. And the just second phone was invented from the telephone. You also know that telephone phone is a very popular from this time, but that time telephone phone has not many peoples are used because this phone phone are the mainly used from the 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20. That time this phone was more than popular. And I have also used from the telephone. Telephone is very good from the indicate electricity we are speaking from the another person. And I have also second phone was the developed. That phone is a Microtex 9800X. This phone, second phone was invented from this phone, and this phone has a weight is the 1.1 kilogram, and it is mainly used from person. And that phone has a features are available like you are charged from the only 10 hours that you say that you calling and receiving from only speak from the 30 minutes. That phone is very good, but more than people are users from the phone. And you know that Martin Cooper was born on this America, Chicago city. It is very developed country like America. America is a very developed city, and many persons that live in the India, but persons are live in America because America is a very developed country, and America is also first number of country that is a chance we are deliver from this. And after the first time Samsung phone was invented, that the year is 2012. Yes, 2012. It is no more than time. That is mainly 6-7 years ago. And the Samsung phone is a very good indicates from the phone, and many person use for the Samsung phone. Its phone is very good from us. And that Martin Cooper that invented from the phone, and after the phone was invented the Microtex. Yes, this phone is very good from that time, but this time, present time, this phone has not used from the many person because this phone is not developed, and it costs many more than feel like a Samsung phone. Realme iGrow 00 phone. This phone storage, this phone cost about 50,000 rupees, and the 128 storage, and the 100 megapixel camera, and it is very good phone. After the time, Alexander Graham Bell has said to Martin Cooper that is the dreams of, and also the Martin Cooper was the electrical engineer, and that time after the phone was many phones are invented. Fear that the time of the past time, and that the time many persons are used for the phone. And you will be know that the time has a before time like a BC time, which persons are the speaking from the another person. That the time of the pigeons, you will be know pigeons it is flying on the sky, and the man and the women, that persons are the one the indicates page, and the writing a letter. And that time pigeons was very good, and every people has the our feelings we are the writing from the letter and the send from the another persons. But the past time, that time the phone was not invented, which the Martin Cooper was sitting from the lab means Modi Taylor's lab. This lab is very good, and that time this Modi Taylor. Thank you.